Good morning, good morning, good morning, family. Just a quick little garden tour and a little garden harvest. I got a few beets going right here. I got some new corn in, trying to get another harvest before the season over with. I harvested most of that corn, but I think I did it too early. So I left, 6 stalks up there of corn. The heat is really Tetris. We got a few watermelons. We took a few watermelons out as well. The cucumbers are pretty much cycled out, so we'll pull them down. Still got a few watermelons over here. I need to give my watermelons some calcium. I'll do a video on that. Look at that baby back there. Just doing a quick walkthrough, guys, before I head to my other job. Key lime is doing great. Satsuma is doing great, flourishing. Everything is green, flourishing. I gave this one some Epsom salt. It's kind of coming back. It's kind of hungry, and I fed it again too. Lemon tree is doing great. I fed all my citrus again, y'all. Same stuff I used in the previous videos. And we have a lemon. We had a few lemons, but you know how that go. Okay, let's move around. Grapefruit. The citrus is really, really flourishing, guys. Look at the grapefruits. They are really, really flourishing. Something better than nothing. I'm taking it as this year, everybody's getting settled in. All the trees are getting settled in a new environment, new climate. So next year should be a lot better. Fig trees. Got a lot of little figs on them. That one ain't got a tincture leaves, but it got figs on them. Figs on these. I'm pulling these seedless grapes. I'm pulling it. Got my little one sweet potato over here that's done died and came back several times. Everything is doing great. Just a little quick walkthrough. Y'all see how I prune my tomato plants? I chopped them down. And then those hornworms done been out here getting on them too, so. And then I planted me some sunflowers, y'all. I probably already should have planted them. But go ahead and get my feet wet. I think I planted 5 of those sunflowers. I done harvested everything that I'm going to harvest for today. Look at my marigolds. It's so hot out here, you can see the heat. So I'm trying to make this fast so I can jump in the shower. And I did a little shade, y'all, for my berries, because the sun was tearing them up. So I did a shade on the front of them. They looking a little better than they did. I done picked all my raspberries off. Well, not raspberries, blackberries. There go one right there. Let me get him off. These blackberries are good. Next year, I'm going to have a whole section for the blackberries. Grapevines are doing good. The little grape kiwi is doing good, but it's so hot outside. Give everything a good drenching later on tonight. The trees. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta move so fast. Baby done already cut the grass. Had to get that out the way. Everything is just, whew. Here you go. He done found the cucumber over there, y'all.
2 up, 3 up.
It's just so hot, it's ridiculous. Ain't nothing thriving but the watermelons and the citrus. But the watermelon and the citrus. Had to come up with something better for next year. And that's all I got off, y'all. A little harvest for today. A little blackberry down in there. These banana peppers are just looking so good. I mean, not banana peppers, candy cane peppers. And we got some red bell peppers in here. We got some jalapenos. Got some yellow bell peppers in here. A few tomatoes. So it was a good harvest today, guys. It's so hot. I'm sorry. Got some red bell peppers. It's so hot out here. I had to try to make it fast. I couldn't film while I was harvesting. It's just too hot. So y'all bear with me and thumbs up the video anyway. And we're gonna get on out of here. It ain't even 12 o'clock yet, and it's already 100 degrees. So that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Well, Big Daddy's steady finding cucumbers. Steady finding cucumbers. But yeah, gang, that's gonna be the end of the video. And we will see you lovely people in the next video. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up for us. Subscribe to the channel. Ooh, my camera said